In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and let me show you how to add photo to contact in this phone. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, go to contacts then, and open the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. Then click on edit, and tap on camera icon in the middle of the screen. And now you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery, so it's up to you, whatever you prefer. And let me pick some picture of mine. Let me choose Rita, tap on confirmation mark, and now you can customize this picture, so you can make it bigger, smaller, just select the layout. Let me make it this way, maybe just like that, tap on confirmation mark to save it, and click on the sign again to apply the change. And as you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to your contact, to Rita, and anytime she will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.